Are you on the hunt for an affordable action camera that doesn't compromise on quality? Whether you're a thrill seeker looking to capture your surfing adventures or a casual explorer wanting to document family outings, the market is flooded with options that won't break the bank. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best cheap action cameras available, showcasing models that offer high-resolution video, durability, and versatile features, all at wallet-friendly prices. Get ready to discover budget-friendly gems that will elevate your photography and videography game without emptying your pockets. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera. If you're on the hunt for an affordable action camera, the AKASO EK7000 Pro might be the perfect fit for you. This compact device shines with its impressive 4K shooting capability, making it hard to believe such quality comes at this price point. You can expect to capture breathtaking 20-megapixel stills and videos, though it's important to be aware of a few challenges that come along with it. While the EK7000 Pro is designed for adventure, you may occasionally run into issues with the accompanying app and stabilization features, which can introduce some noise in your footage. However, for everyday use, especially on social media, the camera performs surprisingly well. It shines when shooting in full HD at 60 frames per second, ensuring your adventures are documented with clarity. Weighing just 61 grams and able to withstand depths of up to 40 meters when properly housed, the EK7000 Pro is your trusty companion for any outdoor excursion. You'll also appreciate the 90 minutes of battery life per charge, giving you plenty of time to capture all your experiences. In summary, while the AKASO EK7000 Pro has its limitations, it provides a cost-effective way to document your life's adventures without sacrificing too much on quality. If you're eager to explore the world of action cameras, this may just be the ideal choice for you. Number 4. WOLFANG GA 304K Action Camera. The WOLFANG budget action camera is an excellent choice for those like you who are searching for an ideal blend of quality and affordability. With this camera, you can unlock a world of cinematic possibilities thanks to its impressive resolutions and frame rates. Capture breathtaking 4K videos at both 60 frames per second and the traditional 30 frames per second settings. If you're drawn to slow motion footage, the option to record at 240 frames per second in 720 pixel adds an exhilarating touch to your adventures. You'll find that the WOLFANG camera comes with a variety of essential accessories, so you're set to embark on your explorations right out of the box. Its robust 40mm underwater housing means you can dive into aquatic adventures with confidence, while the lightweight design, just 67 grams, ensures that you can carry it easily on hikes, bike rides, or any expedition without feeling weighed down. Additionally, with a stills resolution of 20 megapixels, you can capture vibrant photos that beautifully complement your videos. The camera's battery life offers up to 80 minutes of recording time per charge, allowing you to focus on capturing those unforgettable moments without the constant worry of recharging. With the WOLFANG action camera in your hands, you can fully embrace your creative spirit, documenting every thrilling experience in stunning detail, whether above or below water. Number 3. GoPro Hero 7 White Waterproof Action Camera. If you're in search of a budget-friendly action camera, the GoPro Hero 7 White is an excellent option for your adventures. While it may be older than some of the latest models, it still proves to be a reliable companion that won't break the bank. The Hero 7 White stands out because it delivers impressive performance without the hefty price tag, making it accessible for everyone. One of the key benefits of the Hero 7 White is its compatibility with a wide range of GoPro accessories. You can customize your setup to fit your needs, although you'll need to purchase a separate frame for mounting, as it lacks the built-in mounting system. This camera is designed for durability. It's both shockproof and waterproof, allowing you to confidently dive into aquatic adventures up to 10 meters deep. Whether you enjoy hiking, biking, or water sports, it's an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts like yourself. You'll appreciate the responsive 2-inch touchscreen, which makes navigating playback and settings effortless, enhancing your overall shooting experience. With a built-in battery lasting around 2 hours per charge, you'll have ample time to capture unforgettable moments. Voice control adds a helpful touch, letting you start recording hands-free with commands like GoPro, Start Recording, although it may struggle in noisy settings. Capture stunning 1440 pixel or 1080 pixel video at 30 or 60 frames per second alongside 10 megapixel still images. The Hero 7 White strikes a perfect balance between performance and affordability, making it an essential part of your adventure toolkit. Number 2. Apexcam M80 Air 4K Action Camera. The Apexcam is your ideal companion for every adventurous moment. Weighing just 431 grams, this compact action camera enables you to capture stunning 4K videos at 30 frames per second, ensuring your fast-paced experiences are documented with remarkable clarity and detail. You'll be impressed by the high-quality footage, even in challenging lighting conditions, thanks to the cutting-edge Sony image sensor that excels in low-light environments. Whether you're diving into underwater worlds or filming scenic views at dusk, the Apexcam allows you to seize every experience without missing a beat. Equipped with a 20 megapixels photo sensor, this camera also enables you to take breathtaking still images that beautifully complement your videos. With a wide 170-degree field of view, you'll capture more of the action around you. Designed for durability, the Apexcam is built to withstand the elements. Featuring an IPX7 waterproof rating, it allows you to dive up to 133 feet with the included waterproof case, making it perfect for your aquatic adventures. With user-friendly features such as a large touch LCD screen, navigating settings and reviewing shots has never been easier. Best of all, you receive these high-quality features at an affordable price, making it the perfect investment for capturing unforgettable memories. Step into a world of creativity and adventure with the Apexcam, your gateway to documenting life's most exciting moments. Number 1. AKASO Brave 7 Li 4K Wi-Fi Action Camera. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly action camera that combines usability with versatility, the AKASO Brave 7 LE deserves your attention. One of its key highlights is the front display, which makes framing your shots effortless, especially for vlogs or selfies. Additionally, its impressive weatherproofing means you can confidently take it on any adventure, regardless of the elements. You'll appreciate the above-average audio quality, which surpasses many options outside the GoPro line, providing clear sound even in quieter environments. The intuitive touchscreen interface is another user-friendly feature, allowing you to navigate settings quickly so you can capture every unforgettable moment without hassle. Connectivity is a plus as well. Linking the Brave 7 LE to your laptop or TV via USB or HDMI opens up exciting options for viewing and editing your adventures. Although it features 4K video resolution, keep in mind that while it performs well, it may not outshine some competitors at a similar price point. The camera excels at reducing noise in low-light situations, which can significantly improve your photo quality. And while the electronic image stabilization is commendable, it's worth noting that it isn't perfect. Weighing just 127 grams and boasting an IPX7 waterproof rating, this camera is conveniently portable for outdoor activities. When you consider features like shooting at 720 pixel and 120 frames per second for fast-paced action, the Brave 7 LE truly represents an extraordinary value, making it an excellent choice for your adventures. That's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which action camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.